Hi, welcome back to another session of our tutorial. In this very tutorial, I'm going to be introducing to us the service module. This is our dashboard, as we know. So to navigate to the service module, you click on, as usual, the menu icon and then the services. So before I really start the training proper, let me introduce the pages under the service module for our learning. Now, I don't know if I should enable the dashboard page. No, sorry, the full page, so we'll see clearly how it looks. But I believe most of us will be using our mobile devices, so we'll be using this mobile simulator here to enable us see how it looks like on a mobile. Okay, so this is the service inflow page where you view all the revenue you've made for the services you've delivered to your client or to your customers. Now, if maybe you want to filter for the previous year, you use this filter options here, and this amount tells you your revenue for the fiscal year beginning January ending December, and then here you see the table of all your revenues per month. Right now, for now I've only done for January, but in the course of this tutorial I'm going to do for February, so we'll see how it looks. And then followed by that we have also what we call the monthly reports, monthly service inflow report, where you see the entire breakdown month by month. Now this is showing January, February, March, and then here you see a payment down, and then at the top you will see the total for the year. And if you're using a desktop, you can use this to print the printable version. Okay, use this command here to print the printable version. And next is where you add your service inflows, your service revenues. Okay, so this is where you add the service revenue. You add a description of the service rendered, the amount, the quantity, thereabout. Okay. Now before we do that, let's first add what we call the service type and the service subtypes. Now the service types here could be, for example, you are into software development just like we are, and we're also into IT consulting, we're into training, right? So for service type, I could type here software development, okay, and then I'll add it. So you see in my list of service type I have software development there. Now I will need to create subtypes. What are the various activities we do or various services we deliver under this service type, under software development. Then to do that, I'll click on add subtypes. Now it will bring me to this page. So one of the subtypes of software development we work on is what I will call software upgrade, software version upgrade. Okay. Now remember it's under the service type, and the system will automatically generate a code for it, and then I'll add it. Then I also add the software maintenance. That is a code for it. I'll add it. And then I'll say, okay, full stack. Full stack meaning a full software project, right? A full software project. And then I'll also add. Now you see under this software development service type we have 3 subtypes, right? It could be anything. It can even be training or anything, right? Depending on the service you render. Now the essence of this is simply to enable the system to generate a report that you can trace. I'll call it a traceable report. Traceable report in the sense that, okay, let me go back to the my services. Let me show you something. Now you see here, if you click here, you see that So this is part payment for ear piercing. Now you see that it's under ear piercing, right? So by looking at it, you already know where this revenue came from. This other one, lips piercing, right? Now if I open it in the full screen, you see that it's clearer here, right? Okay. Now I take it back to the mobile. Now we're going to add. Remember, we have added the service. We have added the service type, and under service type we added also three different subtypes under the software development. Now we are going to add a service inflow using software development, right? So I could say balance payment for full stack software. Full balance payment for full stack software development. Now this can be whatever. Remember, I'm just demonstrating. Now I'll put it here, 4 million. Okay. Now you just want software. Okay. Then select the type. Remember, it's software. Okay. And then the date of service, and then you add. Okay. Did I make a mistake there? So let's go back to our service page. This is wrong. I probably must have picked a wrong lesson there. I must have picked lips piercing. So let me correct it. So I entered the service under lips piercing, which is wrong. So let me correct it here. There's a way of teaching us how to edit, and then it's a bit slow. Okay, so I've corrected it. As you can see, now it's showing the full stack. So if we go back to our service inflow, you see everything showing there. See? To view it properly, you click this. Okay. So this is how to capture our services. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show us how to capture our sales. Thank you, and see you in the next video.